This wedding was perfect. Perfect lights, perfect smiles, perfect music. Too perfect. Because when everything looks perfect, something is usually wrong.
And that night, only a boy and his dog noticed it.
Glass walls, golden lights, snow falling softly outside. The kind of night people remember forever. Timmy stepped inside. Max walked beside him. They were just guests. They didn't know yet. This night was about to ask something from them. Then, Max stopped. Not tired, not scared, alert. The kind of stillness that doesn't come from noise, but from instinct. Max's ears moved. His body froze. He smelled something. Not danger, fear. Close, hidden, real. Under the music, under the laughter, under the clinking glasses, something didn't belong. A sound, soft, broken, a cry, trying not to be heard. They walked away from the crowd, away from warmth, away from comfort. Each step felt heavier, because doing the right thing rarely feels easy. The hallway was quiet, too quiet. Then the sound returned, closer. Behind the decorations, they found him, a puppy, small, shaking, alone, invisible, until someone chose to see him. Max stepped forward, slow, steady. Not barking, not growling, just standing, guarding. Because protection doesn't always make noise. Timmy knelt.
You're not alone. Not anymore.
And just like that, fear met kindness. The music stopped. Conversations faded. Heads turned. Because silence has a way of demanding attention. The bride saw the puppy. Her smile broke. Her breath caught. That's him. She had searched, panicked, prayed. While the world danced, two guests listened. The room exploded with applause. Not for beauty, not for luxury, but for humanity. And a dog who trusted his instincts. Timmy returned to his seat. Max sat beside him. Nothing was said. Nothing needed to be. Kindness doesn't shout. It listens. If this story stayed with you, subscribe for more Timmy and Max. Because some stories aren't meant to be watched.
They're meant to be felt.